He says, I know a very prominent physician who was almost paralyzed permanently from a stem cell injection into his back disc. So he says that stem cells are not ready for clinical use yet. And there's even a Florida clinic that injected stem cells into the eyes of people with macular degeneration who were worried about going blind, and they all went blind right away. So clearly there's an issue with either the way that these stem cells are being administered or just an inherent issue with stem cells. Can you just speak to that, the risks there?
Let's talk about first off is what those people had injected was what I was talking about is the FDA are not approving these stem cells. To be truthful, there are no actually viable cells in what they injected, this amniotic tissue or exosomes or et cetera, et cetera. When this person got injected into, it wasn't just the disc, it was actually the interthecal space, would inject to like if you're having a pregnancy or knee surgery, they block all that. So when they injected that, they saw the growth of inordinate tissue outside of the own body growing in that area, and that's what causes the paralyzation. And then similarly with the injection into the eyes, these were unlicensed injections into the eye to help with their macular degeneration, which caused blindness. Again, why we in our practice don't buy these off the shelf products because we don't know.
Are you saying is the issue that it's not you're not actually getting the stem cells, or is the issue that the stem cells themselves are causing the blindness or the paralyzing?
No, I think those were unlicensed vendors, and we don't know exactly what they were injecting. So, allogenic and versus we'll say homologous versus autologous. Homologous tissue, meaning coming from the same species, and we inject that. We don't know how that's going to react. When we do autologous, that is your own tissue. We know how your body's going to react to your own tissue. So that is probably the biggest point that we need to see when we're injecting random shit into our body.
So is it almost like organ transplants where your body can reject the organ? Your body's like rejecting the stem cells that you're being injected with, and the end result of that rejection is blindness or paralysis.